Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best crimp beads is probably one of the most versatile and essential components in jewelry making, offering a secure and professional finish to your bracelets, necklaces, and earrings. In this video, we will explore the various types of crimp beads, their uses, and how to choose the perfect ones for your next jewelry making project, ensuring your creations are not only beautiful but also durable and long-lasting. Number 5. Beadalon Crimp Tube Variety Pack. Introducing Beadalon's Crimp Tube Variety Pack, a must-have for jewelry makers of all levels. This pack offers an assortment of sizes, conveniently organized for easy access and use. It includes a wide variety of crimp bead sizes to perfectly match your wire. You'll find plenty of each size to complete all your projects. Each crimp bead size is designed to work with specific Beadalon wire diameters, ensuring a secure and professional finish every time. Check the packaging for the correct wire gauge. Using them is simple. Just choose the right crimp tool for your crimp size and securely fasten your jewelry wire. Detailed instructions are available online. These high-quality, silver-plated crimps provide a secure and professional finish for all your jewelry designs. From necklaces to earrings, let your creativity shine. The individual glass vials keep everything neat and easy to find. Each bottle is clearly labeled with the crimp bead size for quick identification. What we like? It has an assortment of sizes in individual containers, making organization a breeze. If you need a wide range of sizes for different projects, this is perfect. Its high-quality construction ensures your jewelry will last. Choose this if you value convenience and quality. What people say? These have been working perfectly for my beading purposes. I've been working with some craft pieces that are a little heavier, and they are holding up just great. I needed some crimping beads that were silver-plated, so I got these. 4 different sizes. The size I needed was in one of the packs. I wanted these for making a couple of different kinds of necklace. I wasn't sure what size I needed for each type of stringing material, so I bought this set. I'm pretty happy with it. I may reorder more of one individual size in the future, but now I know what sizes I need. I like the little tubes for each type. I can keep track of the size and the different sizes don't get mixed up. I use the smallest ones on monofilament for illusion-style necklaces. They are pretty much just holding one bead in place and they are fine for that. I use larger ones on some Acuflex wire at the ends, so that I have loops for attaching to clasps and other findings. These are a pretty good match in color tone for my other economy gold-plated findings, clasps, chains, etc. The plating is decent, smooth and even, although most of the time, these will be in places where they are not easily seen. Number 4. PandaHall Crimp Beads. These versatile crimp beads are perfect for adding a professional touch to your jewelry creations. They're available in 3 convenient sizes to suit your needs. With 1800 small, 800 medium, and 400 large beads, you'll have plenty to work with. Each size has a different hole size for compatibility with various materials. Made from high-quality brass with a smooth, electroplated finish, these beads are durable and resistant to rust. They'll keep your jewelry looking its best. Simply crimp them onto your stringing materials using flat-nosed pliers to securely fasten your knots and components. They're ideal for various jewelry making techniques. From earrings and necklaces to bracelets and keychains, these crimp beads are perfect for a wide range of DIY projects. Let your imagination run wild. Their classic tube shape and platinum color make them easy to match with any design. They're a must-have for any jewelry maker. What we like? This offers a massive number of beads at a great price. The durable brass material ensures long-lasting use. If you're making a lot of jewelry and need a cost-effective solution, this is the one for you. Choose this if you need a large quantity and durable material. What people say? Making jewelry, I love using crimp tubes to secure bracelets and necklaces. I also use them as spacer beads. Very useful. The pliers accommodates 1, 2, and 3 mm crimp beads. The crimp is tightly held onto my test wire. These beads are beautiful and completely match solid 14K beads. They also look good with other gold-filled chains and findings. Great quantity and quality. Number 3. Thrilez Crimping Beads Kit. This kit has everything you need to start making jewelry. It's perfect for beginners and experienced crafters alike. You'll receive 2,200 crimp beads in 3 sizes and 4 colors, plus a pair of crimping pliers. That's all the essentials for your next project. These crimp beads are made from durable copper and electroplated for long-lasting, vibrant colors. They're built to last. With 3 sizes and 4 colors, they're easy to match to your project. Use them with various materials to create unique jewelry. These crimp beads work perfectly with a variety of materials, from leather cords to wire. The included pliers make crimping a breeze. Make earrings, bracelets, necklaces, and more. The possibilities are endless with this versatile kit. What we like? It comes with everything you need, including crimping pliers. The variety of colors lets you match any project. The sturdy copper construction ensures your creations will last. If you're starting out and need a complete kit, this is the best option. Choose this if you need convenience and a variety of colors. What people say? Works well, nice selection. These are not heavy duty, but use the proper size and they work well. The actual crimping beads are pretty good quality, my only thing was that the pliers seemed cheap. I would invest in better quality pliers if you need them, but the ones that come with this product are sufficient for beginners. Great choice of crimp beads and good strong quality. Number 2. Honbay 2000 PCS Crimp Beads. These versatile little beads are perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your jewelry designs. They're small, but mighty, and come in a pack of 2,000. Made from durable metal, these crimp beads are built to last. Their sleek silver finish adds a touch of sophistication to any project. Each bead measures 2 mm in diameter and 1.5 mm in height, with a 1 mm hole for easy stringing. They're the perfect size for a variety of jewelry making applications. Use them to create stunning bracelets, necklaces, anklets, and more. Let your creativity shine with these essential jewelry making supplies. This bulk pack contains 2,000 beads, giving you plenty to work with for all your DIY jewelry projects. You'll have enough to create countless beautiful pieces. These crimp beads are incredibly easy to use, making them perfect for both beginners and experienced jewelry makers. Simply crimp them onto your jewelry wire or string to secure your findings. What we like? You get a huge number of beads, all the same size. The simple, classic design works with any style. If you need a large quantity of a single size for a specific project, this is perfect. Choose this if you need a large number of uniform beads. What people say? They actually hold very well and crimp tight with good quality metal. These are good crimp beads if you use beading wire. These work great as crimp beads on the fishing line I use for my product. Number 1. Crimp Beads, 1000 pack. These versatile crimp beads are perfect for jewelry making and more. With 1,000 pieces, you'll have plenty to create stunning designs. They're made from durable plated alloy, resistant to corrosion, tarnish, and water damage. These beads are built to last. Use them for jewelry, cards, dream catchers. The possibilities are endless. Let your imagination run wild. With their shiny luster and 4 beautiful colors, these beads add a touch of elegance to any project. They're sure to impress. Looking for a thoughtful present for a crafting enthusiast? This set makes a wonderful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. This pack includes 1,000 crimp beads in 4 stylish colors: gold, silver, copper, and black. You'll have a wide range of options for your creations. Each bead measures 2 by 2 mm, making them easy to handle and perfect for intricate designs. They're small but mighty. What we like? It offers a variety of colors to match your style. The strong, resistant material ensures long-lasting use. The elegant design adds a touch of sophistication to your jewelry. If you value style and durability, this is the set for you. Choose this if you are looking for a beautiful and long-lasting option. What people say? These came in very handy when I realized I had none at home to finish a necklace and bracelet I was working on. I love that they include 4 different colors to choose from in one order. They hold my jewelry prices together. You need these to end your pieces or use as stabilizers throughout your pieces. I used to think it was only for ending a necklace or bracelet, but I've been educated through makers on YouTube. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.